So over here, I am in the post edit view, and let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and insert a picture gallery. In that case, what you can do is you can insert out a gallery block. So to do that, you can click on the plus button and search for gallery from over here and access the gallery block from over here. So once you go ahead and do that, you can see that I have an option to upload gallery images, select images, or generate one with AI as well. Let me just go ahead and upload out images that I have right here. So let me just go ahead onto my images folder from my Explorer window, and I'm going to hold Control on my keyboard and select a few images and click on open. So once I go ahead and do that, you can see that it simply uploads out the image onto the gallery right here. You can go ahead and, let's say for example, drag this out right here as well and so forth, and then change this out right here just like this as well. So you can go around, change the order of the picture as you click on it. So apart from that, you can see that you can align it to the left as well and so forth as you want as well. So right now you can see that this is what you have. So now you can also go ahead and apply different filters right here as well for the image. So let's say for example, I can go ahead and apply, let's say shadow right here, just like this, and add in a filter to the picture as well. You can even go ahead and crop out the picture if you want to. Let's say for example, you can zoom in, you can click and drag around right here by using the scroll mouse button right here, and even rotate these images out as you want, as you can see right here, just like this. And then you can also go ahead and change around the aspect ratio of these images according to how you like as well, and change around how those actually looks, and the overall images gets aligned accordingly right here. So this is what you have, as you can see. So this is the parent block. You can select out the parent block right here and make the changes according to how you want. You can go ahead and add in caption. Let's say for example, you can say something like sample images, and you can go ahead and change around, let's say it into bold or italics as you like right here. You can also go ahead and add in more images. So you can click on upload media library and then choose, let's say for example, another image that you want to add in, 2 more or 3 more images. Click on insert and they will be inserted and the gallery will be changed out accordingly. You can simply go around over here, add in another gallery block from over here, or even access out the gallery block from over here as well. So you can see that as I go in, you can go ahead and search for gallery right here just like this and add in another gallery block and then work around with them as well. And that is how you can work around with gallery block right here. And you can see that there's different sort of templates for the gallery right here that you can choose as well and insert it out. And then you can edit it according to how you like, as you please. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.